Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you use Face ID to log into apps. In order to use Face ID to log into apps, you have to follow the steps. First thing, what you want to do is you simply want to come to the settings or phone settings and scroll down a bit and go to this section of Face ID and Passcode. After you're located, so what next you have to do is you simply want to scroll down when you are in the Face ID and Passcode section and go to other apps. After which you want to select the particular app for which you want to enable it. So click on or toggle the button, and then you want to go ahead and toggle the button for that as well. Or if you want to do it for multiple application, you want to do it simple, and that's how you successfully use Face ID to log into apps. Now if you've not enabled it Face ID, then first of all you have to enable that, and then you could go ahead and select or proceed with the steps that I've listed out just now. So I hope your video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.